Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with your Google Chrome browser that the class not registered with the Chrome.exe or Chrome executable. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung Chrome, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung open file locations. So dito sa open file locations, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung Google Chrome, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung properties. So dito sa kanyang properties and dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung compatibility. So click mo lang yan. And next step, so makikita mo kaagad dito yung run compatibility troubleshooter. So i-click mo lang yan. And wait natin ma-complete yung detecting. Ayan. So dito sa kanyang select troubleshooting options, so may dalawang option dito na pwede mong i-select. Like try recommended settings or troubleshoot program. So select ka lang dito and then tap lang natin tong try recommended settings. So click mo lang yan. And then makikita mo na dito yung test compatibility settings for the program. And then i-click mo lang dito yung test the program. Okay, so after mo open yan, ang susunod ay dito lang sa baba, kailangan mo na i-click dito yung next. And then may mga option na dito na pwede natin i-select. So we have changed some settings for this program. Do you want to save this? And yes, and then select ka lang dito. Alright, so after dito ay close lang natin, and then dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Click mo lang ito. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix class not registered Chrome.exe in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.